How is everyone doing today? Well, today I'm back in the chicken brooder here. As you saw from the last video, we got one cage up. So today my goal is to get the rest of this done. I've just started putting the brace up for another cage, and we're gonna pop another cage up higher here. So I need to put a brace up along here as well, and then we'll have another 4 more cages up there. I'll show you the process or the progress as I go along here, and hopefully get this done fairly quickly. Great, we've got the braces up to the shelving for the cages. Now what I need to do over here is, because they were double wide, I've cut these ones in half and use them for there and inside. I'm taking off this end piece here. Now I'm gonna have to use some of this other metal here to use a backing here so that it'll fit against the wall and nothing can get out. I'll have to do that for both this one and that one. So once we get that done, I'll show you what that looks like, because it's kind of a slow, boring process. Okay, the cages are coming along nicely. I've got one section on here now. I'm just finishing bending the backs on. I gotta cut another piece right here quickly, so I can pop a piece on there. So that'll be one set done. Once that is done, I will jump onto the next one here and take one section apart and do the same with that one, get the backing on. I'm hoping it should take me maybe about an hour at the most. This one took a lot quicker than I thought. So once we get to the next step here, we'll show you how she looks. So first cage is done here. I will get it moved into the brooder room here. Just gonna go open the door, set the camera up so we can get it all set up here. And I'll probably pop her on the top shelf first. We'll see what happens. Okay, if all goes well, she should fit quite nicely here. Okay, so that's what I thought. I'm probably have to put a brace here as well, so that so it sits up properly. In that case, what we're gonna do first here, let's stick her down on the bottom shelf first instead. I've already done that with this one here. And we're just gonna have to rework a few things here to make it work. So I need to admit, I'm not the best carpenter in the world, but it doesn't help when your walls are not square in the first place. So it's taking me a bit longer to get everything set up properly now. I think I've got it. I put a nice cross brace here so it's nice and solid for the cage. Did one down there. I think I'm ready to pop this bad boy up and see how it's gonna fit, and then work on the second cage. So we'll set this up here quickly. It's really hard when things are not square. It's really frustrating. It takes 5 times as long. So I'm probably gonna pop, I'll try both, see how they fit on both sides here. So the bottom one here, I'm probably gonna have to put a 2x4 or something here as well, just to hold it so it's flush and straight, just because it's a bit lopsided here. I didn't bring these beams out very far. I didn't want them out protruding because we need to get into the cages here. This one's a bit longer than I care for, but I really need the support for the higher one anyways. There we go. It's a bit high, but it's gonna have to work. I have to just press these bottoms down a bit, maybe not. But see, somehow I can maybe put some kind of hook along here and pull the bottom down so it's a bit more secure. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere, but you never know. Once the birds get in there, they might walk back. They will be walking back and forth and probably make it a bit lopsided. But so far, I'm happy with that, how that's looking. I'll go grab another cage. I gotta work on the second cage here, get it all set up. Other than that, I think we're looking good. There you have it. I finally got it done. Feels good to have one more project done here. Now we just need to get some hay in the bottoms most likely. Gotta get the heater turned on. We need to get some heat lamps, or heat, I don't know what they're called. I forget what she calls it. They're just like little heat panels to pop them in to keep the chicks warm. Get some water for them. And the brooder room is finally finished. Happy to have that done. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that little project. This is the third video in the installment. If you want to see the whole build out from cutting the whole room, I can post that video in the very last section, so you guys can click on that. So thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please share it around. I appreciate everyone who watches my videos. It's pretty awesome. And we'll see you out there. Have a great day.